everyone, thank you again for coming back to my channel. Once again, my name is Lola. Thank you so much. Before anything, do not forget to please like, subscribe. Today we'll be talking about density. I've had so many questions from a lot of people. Some people, they when they see me, well, you know, density, this and that. And sometimes some people will message me and I'm like, okay, I think it's high time I do a video that explain the difference between different density of hair. We have the most common ones you see on some website is 150 density, 180 density, and 250 density. What is the difference between all of this and which one should I get? I'm going to say this density, it is the explanation, the meaning of density. How full do you want your hair to be? If you get a 250 density wig, it will be fuller than 180 density. If you get a 180 density wig, it's going to be fuller than 150. Oh, actually, there's 130 too. 130, 150, 180, and 250. But the most common ones is 150, 180, 250. So I apologize. So if you get 250, it's going to be fuller than 180. That doesn't mean the hair texture is not good. They are all the same so far you get it from the same vendor. But you know, if you get it from different vendor, then the quality of the hair might be different. So to show you the difference between all these wigs, I have some wigs here. I'm going to show you which one should I start from? Okay, different vendors. I need to show you this one from different vendors. They all call their wig 150, right? Okay, here. See this hair. This hair, I don't know if you can. I think, let me lift it up. This hair, according to this vendor, she said her hair is 150 density. And if you see how it looks like, this is 150. And look at another, this is another vendor actually. This one has a bang. This one, according to her too, is 150. I don't know if you see any excuse me, I don't know if you see any difference in it. According to this one, it is 150. According to this vendor as well, she said this one is 150. Okay, let's see. Let me hold this one, which is 150 density. And this wig, the vendor says this is 180. She said 180 density. 150, 180. I don't have the 250 density. I believe I have a video because I actually got the 250 density. I'm going to click it if I find the video. I remember I made a video of that wig. I'm going to show you. Maybe it's going to pop up somewhere on the screen. So I'll show you the 250 density. But the difference is, see 150 density, and this person says our own is 180 degree. I watched this one, so it looks so rumble. I always try to test a lot. So she said this is 180 density, and I have actually seen some hair that is 150 density that is even more fuller than this 180. I think I have a video. I have a wig with me. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. So this wig, this has been laid, and I also have a video of me when I was removing lace, the wig, the bonding glue from this one, but that is not the story I want to show you. But actually this wig is also 150 density. I don't know if you're catching what I'm saying. See, she said this wig is 150. What? See, this is really full compared to this that this vendor said is 180. Can you see the difference? To me, it doesn't make any sense. I just think you have to do a lot of research. That is why I always tell people, if you buy from overseas, you just get what you pay. I mean, you get what you pay for. Anyway, this is another 150 density. See, another vendor called this one 150 density, and another called this one 180 density. Can you see the difference? So before I show you this one, this is a wig I made myself. I'm going to show you this one. Why do they call it 150, 180? Each gram of hair, each bundle of hair is 100 grams. Some is less, sometimes is like 101. Most of the time is 101 grams if you weigh it, maybe because of the wrap or whatever they call this thing. But usually bundles are always 100 grams. And a closure, a lace closure is about maybe 10 or 20 grams. Let's say 15 grams for lace closure, depending on how full it is. And a frontal, a lace frontal, usually it's usually like 20 grams. So this is where we need to do the math. When you get a wig that is 150 grams, 150 density, a bundle is 100. Your lace closure, let's say it's if it is a lace closure wig, a lace closure is like 15. So add 15 to 100, that is 115, right? How many grams? 35. Now they are going to have had, they will divide this anyway, 35 grams. This is, they will divide one bundle into 3. So what they do is one bundle and 1/3 of each bundle with your closure, that makes 150 gram. If you are getting 180 gram, normally they will use 1.5, one bundle and half of it to make 180, including the frontal or the closure. So if you are getting 180 lace frontal wig, the 30 gram is the frontal and the 150 is the bundle, one bundle and half. That is 180. If you're getting the 250 or the 250, you're getting 2 bundles, 2 1/4, 1/3. If that really makes any sense to you, I don't know how I'm going to really explain it. Anyway, it's not full, it's not all 3 bundles. So 250 grams, you're getting, if it is frontal, 30 grams, and you're getting 220 grams of bundle. So that is why you see 250 gram bundles, wigs are more fuller than 180, because 180 is 1.5, while the 150 is 1 1/3 of bundle, while the 130 is just one bundle. I'm telling you, it's just one bundle. Imagine getting just one bundle and the lace or the frontal, that is 130. 150, you getting one bundle and 1/3. 180, you getting 1.5 bundle, and 250, you getting 2 bundles and a little bit. So that is how I'm going to explain If it makes any sense, please drop it in the comment section below. I want to see your thoughts. So this is where the confusion coming. But if you come to someone like me, I make your wig. You can put like 4 bundles into your cap, but usually I do 4 bundles for any length higher than 26. 4 bundles will make it full. But Lola, personally, I don't like my hair to be too full. Like this one I'm wearing is 28 inches, I believe. Yeah, this should be 28 inches and 20 inches closure, and it's just 3 bundles. 3 bundles. So if I'm going to weigh this hair now, I'm going to tell you this is 320 grams. I made this one. Let's see, this one has been laid. She's going to her home, I hope. Yeah, this one has been made. Let me see if I can just slide it through. The knot has been bleached. Excuse the lace, my outcome was too hot, so don't crucify me, I beg you. So this is the cap I made for my darling queen. You see that? She requested for a mesh dome cap, no wig comb, and she requested for a 4x4 lace. So this is this. I already styled it. She just wants what did she tell me? I think she just wants her tip to be coiled. Yes, I think that is what this one is. So this one is made from 3 bundles, 3 bundles and a closure. So this is more than 300 grams. It's even fuller than the 250 density you are going to get in the store. Anyway, I hope this explains the differences between those densities you see in the on different websites. Then from there you can make your decision. And please, I need just one favor from you. It is free. All you have to do is just click that like button. Just click the subscribe button and turn on your notification button, so that when I drop any video, you can get the notification first, and you'll be able to watch the video. If you also have any question or something you want me to discuss, or something you want me to talk about in the video, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to answer any question. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.